Imagine landing in Kaduna and the entire street explodes because of you. This is exactly what happened to Nigeria's biggest streamer, Peller. Fans blocked his car. He rented a private jet, met the king, and a beautiful Hausa lady even said she is ready to compete with Jarvis for him. The clips are trending everywhere. Stay tuned, this is next level. Security warned that the roads could be dangerous because of bandits. So Peller's team rented a private jet costing $10,000 per hour just to enter Kaduna safely. But the moment he landed, boom! Thousands of fans rushed the streets and completely blocked his car. The support was incredible. One beautiful Hausa lady ran up to him. Peller asked if she had a boyfriend. She said no and added that she is ready to fight Jarvis for him. Hausa girls are so beautiful and bold. Then he visited the king at the palace. Peller looked completely shocked by everything. Fans gave him gifts including Crocs and more. He was truly overwhelmed. People in Abuja are feeling a little embarrassed now. Kaduna really showed the real energy. This is why Peller is called the biggest streamer in Africa right now. The whole event felt like a movie.
Oh my God! Why are you getting me? Wow, what's your name? Your name is Jennifer. You have a boyfriend? You have a boyfriend? You have a boyfriend? Can I marry you? I have to marry you, please. Let me marry you. Continue the streaming, Abuja. God forbid. Come on there. We will continue with streaming Abuja. Can't we? Don't reach Abuja now. The fly come on, go another state. Jesus, Jesus, Jesus. I love Kaduna people so much. Their offer is the best. My over 100. Akumo. Mama di mama. I love you. I love you too. I love you too, man. God will bless you. Show the woman. See woman, no. Old woman, they run follow me. I don't die. I don't die, yo. Old woman, they run follow me. I go do wait till I pray. Yeah! Yeah! Double mama. No wow.
You got attention here small.
Take it for granted because the first king to come out to me in my tour is Kaduna King and doubly more than doubly. Yeah, he can decide not to see me and decide not to see me, but he choose to come out and see me. He did not look me that he's just a young boy doing it. He come out. God will bless you, sir. You go the maker. You will live long. You go sit down for years. Nothing go do you. 100. Thank you. I appreciate it. 100.
So tell me, if Peller landed in your area like this, would you join the crowd or hide? Would you rent a private jet too, or just walk? Watch the footage again and tell us what you think in the comment section below. The craziest reaction will trend. If you enjoyed this exciting compilation, smash the like button, share with your friends, and subscribe for more fresh Nigerian viral stories. More Peller and streamer drama is coming. Thank you for watching. Stay safe and God bless. Peace.